Dear students, in this video we are going to see about data abstraction from chapter 2. First, let's see the real-time example for data abstraction. Let us consider a car. Actually, car is an object. What is an object? Object is a runtime entity. Anything we can consider as an object. For example, car is an object, pen is an object, pencil is an object. Any person we can consider as an object. See here, if you want to drive the car, you should know how to turn on the car, how to turn off the car, how to drive the car, how to put accelerator, then how to brake the car and how to change gear. As a car driver, you should know all these main functionalities. These are all main essential features of this car. When you turn on the car starts to move. You no need to worry about how it is running, how it has started, how the engine works, and what materials used to make this car. As a user, you should know only these functionalities. You should know to turn on the car, to turn off the car, to drive the car, to put accelerator, then to put brake the car, then change the gear. Here the user no need to worry about inner functionalities of each modules. So inner functionality is fully hidden from the user. As a user, you should know only the main essential features of the car, which is called abstraction. The process of providing only the essentials and hiding the details known as abstractions. Here the inner information is everything hidden from each modules. As a user should know only the main important things. Even some of the objects, car is an object, pencil object, then people, etc. As a programmer, no need to worry about how the code is implemented. They have to just know what the project does. Let us see an example. Now we consider 10 members are doing a project in a group. Project is nothing which is software. Software is a collection of programs. So here all the 10 members won't have to read through every line of your code and understand. They just know what the project does. Given that only, this is especially important when several people are doing a project. Here the project refers to the programming, which is software. With data abstraction, your group members won't have to read through every line of your code to understand, which is important. They should know only that particular modules. Here abstraction provides modularity. Modularity means splitting a program into many modules. Given simple example for project. Project is nothing which is a program. Here I have divided into 5 modules. What is module? Module means splitting of program, called it as module. Why we have to divide the program into module? We are dividing the program into modules for easy to implementation and easy to reusable of codings and debugging process. Our modules are registration module, train details and schedule module. Third one is ticket reservation module. Fourth one is payment and billing, and fifth one is ticket cancellation. The user and a programmer, they should know all these main 5 functionalities of this railway ticket reservation. But they no need to worry about how each and every line of the code is to write and how every modules are going to be implemented. This example, all these 5 modules consider as abstractions of this project. Given car example, here given 3 modules. One is void start, drive and accelerate. Here these are the 3 important abstractions for the car object. Here the inner parts fully hidden from the user. User no need to worry about how inner functionalities works and implemented. Finally, we can see the summary of this topic. Here in this video, we have studied only about data abstraction. Abstraction means the process of providing only the essential features, and hiding the details is known as abstractions. Here we are not going to analyze the inner functionalities, how it is going to be implemented and how each and every parts are going to be worked. The inner functionality is fully hidden from the user. Here we can analyze only about the essentials The process of providing only the essentials and hiding the details is known as data abstractions. Here we have seen the example of project and car example.